What's up? Hey guys, welcome back to another. Oh no, we have one landing. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. It's beautiful. Honestly beautiful. Yeah, so as you can see, we're in a little bit different location than usual. We're in downtown Phoenix, and it's everywhere. So I'll bring you guys back when another plane lands. So right now we have a United Airlines right over there. We have a Southwest Airlines right over there, down there, and we have one that is coming in right over there. So I think United is just taxiing and waiting short, while I think that's a Delta. I can't really see. I don't have my camera. My camera is about to die. So we have Delta coming in right now. Oh crap. Taking off, and then we have a bunch more planes over there. I love airports. And then we have a Southwest over there. So we're gonna walk to the other side right now and see if we can see any other views. So we just got over here, and as you can see, it's buzzing with life. There's planes everywhere, all United, Americans, all that, but it's just not enough takeoff action. So I'm gonna go over back to the other side. So as you can see, I wasn't recording, but Southwest plane right here just got pushed back and is now waiting. So cool. We have Spirit Airlines over there waiting. We have some big plane taking off over there, and now it's just a waiting game. Oh, where you might have Spirit Airlines taking off. Remember to turn it off so it doesn't whistle. Yeah. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna walk all the way up to the end so we can see the planes take off. And there is a Southwest Airlines taking off over there. I don't have the big features where it says Southwest is taking off to this, so you can use your imagination where it's taking off to. It's either LAX or somewhere else in the country. There's Spirit Airlines over there taking off or holding short. And there is Southwest moving along the track. There she goes, she's up. Honestly stunning. Like, just seeing the planes take off. This is why I want to be a pilot as of now. As of now is because I changed a lot of careers because I'm very confused about everything, like my career wise. Like, yeah. We have Southwest over there being pushed back onto the runway. Southwest over here has just been pushed off, and there's a Southwest airplane coming over there which has just been pushed, which is out. So, and there if I run over here because I'm gonna miss it, is Southwest landing. The landing side, you can see pretty beautiful views over there. So yeah, I'm gonna get behind this car. Southwest over there is looking to go onto the runway, so that's kind of cool. GoPro battery is at 45%, so we have another few. Southwest over there. Couple Frontiers over there, or Frontliners. Here she goes. That one's pretty loud. I don't have any more arrivals. So there's an arrival over there. We'll see if we can see her land. Over there. Hopefully she'll get off right about over there. G-Wagon down there, sneaky view. There she is, right down there. Beautiful. Now Southwest over here is just being pushed back into the gate, I think, or he's been pushed out. There's the little tram service down there. And Southwest over here is being pushed into the gate. I'm getting birds, as you can see, but it's alright. Yeah, so do you want to go after this plane? Okay, so we're just gonna cut video short because one, the GoPro battery's about to die because it's 118 or 100 or like 49, almost 50. So it's getting there. We're in the heart of the desert. So yeah, there's Southwest going over the beautiful constructed highway over there for airplanes. Going up over there. Southwest over there is taxiing over to the one-way. On whatever that's called. And if any of you are thinking right now, Varmundi boy, why don't you just put a long sleeve shirt on or something like that? We don't live in Phoenix. So it's a wild drive to get here. So hope you're enjoying it. So far, we've been here, I don't know how long, for like 5, 10, 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna cut it down to 5, 10-minute videos. It's getting crazy. We got a Southwest one landing over there, or a Legion one landing over there. Right over there, you might see it. So we got 2 Southwest, 3, 4 Southwest, 2 Frontiers. I think that's what they're called. I haven't seen them close in a while. But they're all slowly taxiing out of the runway. So yeah, sorry, I just have to get a better view. Oh, and there's an American airline over there, just taking off. Or going to take off. Frontier looks like it's going to be taking off. Or Frontier. I got it right. Southwest Airlines taking off right now. Sorry, car. Excuse me. There he is. There she is. Going all the way up. And she's up. Now we got the 2 Southwests over there. 1 American. We got an American airline that just landed over there. I didn't get to see because the big terminal thing or whatever it's called. Frontier. That's our first Frontier of the day. Looks like a cool little plane. Get to fly on one of those. Maybe soon. I don't know. A little American Airlines little jet taking off, probably flying to somewhere like Sedona or somewhere short or a little long. It doesn't really matter to me. up now. And we're taking up and we are off. So I think that's going to conclude today's video. If you want to see another one, remember to let's hit 3 likes. And yeah, Diamond Money Boy out.